Hello everybody, my name is Ravi Raghavan, President IMTMA, and I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about the Delhi Expo which IMTMA is organizing in August. We all are in exciting times, and as everybody said, the next decade of manufacturing belongs to India. Machine tool would be at the center of the manufacturing activities in India, and so it's important that all of us take advantage of these good times. The Delhi exhibition is one of the largest in the northern part of India, which is an active manufacturing base for the country. The exhibition would be held from 24th to 27th of August at Pragati Maidan. We have confirmation from more than 250 participants exhibiting their products in an area more than 15,000 square meters, and we expect about 15,000 visitors to attend this exhibition. Most of the participants have told us that they would be exhibiting a wide variety of solutions in this exhibition, and this would be a great opportunity for all of us to see what is in offer from the various manufacturers and how we can change our manufacturing processes to suit for the future. I take this opportunity to invite all of you to the Delhi Expo on August 24 to 27 at Pragati Maidan, Delhi.